comment, what's your favorite colors to work with for your spring crafts? We'll make the question a little easier. So go on there and comment. We'll pick a winner and we'll announce that at the end of this hour. One other little programming note, because got a lot going on, is join me at 9:30. We do what's called the after show, and it's really cool. We'll actually feature items that we never have featured on the air in that show. Once again, that's on our HSN Facebook page. After I'm off the air, a half hour later, we will go live there exclusively, and you'll meet more guests. It's really intimate, and it's super cool, and I get to see and talk about your comments. So please join me once again at 9:30 after we're done here on the air. All right, we got to move on because we have more. This is Stamps of Life. And there was a lot of folks on my Facebook earlier who were very excited that we had a new kit, and we are talking about the Slimline. Okay, everyone's gone crazy over Slimline. They are literally the hottest styles going on right now when it comes to card making. We cannot keep any Slimline in any version in stock, and this one is brand new, saved for you, just for our show, from, of course, Stamps of Life. And joining me for this is Miss Stephanie, who's the creator behind it, another one of our proud women-owned businesses. And Stephanie, welcome back, darling. You always bring us the most clever ideas. This one is fantastic.
Thank you. You know what? When I put this bundle together for HSN, I was just so incredibly excited because, as you know, Slimline dies are so popular, and we always want to just be able to go grab a business-size envelope and make the card. Well, now we have dies to make those cards, so we don't have to worry about, measuring and trying to figure that all out. It's all done for you. Now, you're getting a ton of dies. You're getting all the main die itself, which is perfect for the Gemini machine. Don't worry about that. There's a layering die. There's an inside die. You have birthday. You have happy. You have, butterflies are upside down. You have two little butterflies. Then we've given you some extra words. So here we have thanks, pray, hello, love, and happy birthday. Now, let's look at some of these samples because they are just outstanding. You're going to get that gorgeous butterfly that has that outline on it. You're going to get that background die as well that does those fun little confetti pieces on there. Here's another example, Happy Easter. Isn't that gorgeous? You are getting the happy. There's your cute little butterflies, adding little pattern paper in there, which is really, really cute. Oh, here's one for St. Patrick's Day, just using the card die itself. Oh, here's a gorgeous one. You're getting the word pray. There's those pretty butterflies again. Oh, happy birthday. Look at that. Now, here's some more. Happy birthday. Again, those butterflies, you're going to be grabbing those butterflies for just about every card. Happy birthday. Look at those cute little, those little penguins. Look at that. Thanks. You're also getting that thanks. Now, when you get these dies, you're getting not only the die cut word, you're also getting the shadow. But I want you to see how incredibly intricate that little die is. Look how gorgeous that is.
That's awesome.
It's absolutely stunning. I know, isn't it beautiful? I just love it. And it's perfectly for the Slimline cards because they have those wonderful tails on them.
And really quickly, Stephanie, I have 600 left. That's it. And these are going to be completely sold out, guys. And I want you to see, it's a full 11-piece set. So everything we have here beside me is everything you're getting. And my gosh, the versatility is insane with these. But again, if you love that whole Slimline idea, the price I think is exceptional. And yes, free shipping. Thank you, Stephanie.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. Free shipping. You can't get better than that.
We have free shipping, guys. So for those of you who have asked me for free shipping, yes, there's the one. I knew I had at least a couple that tonight will have free shipping, and you get it. Do not miss out on these. Because, Stephanie, the ideas really are endless when you start playing with this.
They are. And you know what? I also need to mention, you do get the idea book. So here's your little idea book, a little instructions. I know you don't really need instructions, but just in case you need instructions, there's your little instructions. You're going to get all of those great ideas, full color. So you're going to have inspiration right when you get this in the mail. So let's show you some more samples. Here's a cute one down here that you can see with our cute little butterflies again. Now, I've been showing you a lot of horizontal cards, right? But you know what? You can also do vertical cards, of course, right? Cute. So here we have vertical cards. You get to pick and choose it. Oh, Suzanne, this heart might look familiar to you. We might be talking about that a little later today.
We might. I'm going to give them all a little tip later on.
Yeah, I don't want to spoil the surprise, but okay. Here's another cute one that's horizontal. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, again, these are going to fit in your standard business size envelopes. So we all have those darn business size envelopes somewhere around our home, right? So now we're just going to go grab some. We have the card base. We have the layering die. We have that background die that can do those cute little confetti shapes. We have happy birthday. We have pray. We have, look, even Christmas. So look, we're even going back to Halloween. Christmas, but you can do all of those with this die set. Look how cute that is. You're getting the birthday and those extra words, the hello, the pray, the love, thanks, and then the happy birthday.
Well, and just remember too, you can all use that separately as well. And what's really funny, people think, oh, I'll make a long card. Well, I was looking at it going, well, wait, I might just want to use half of these. So, you know, when you really start playing with these, the ideas are almost endless. And I love it. If you just want to get and cut out any paper you have, and you just want that slim long line, that's your layering piece. And then of course, that's the solid. Here you go. And that's going to work on all three that are included. And that gives you that awesome, awesome cutouts that you saw on those cards. Plus, what I really like is the double. So when you fold it, that's gonna obviously make your card. And then of course you get the additional inserts. And remember, all of this can be used separately. You know, it's not like you have to make all long cards with it, but I'm telling you, there's nothing hotter in card making right now than what's called the Slimline cards. And this is brand new. Stephanie brought it in just for our show, which again, I'm always just so tickled and so appreciative of all these wonderful partners who are making these kits that you've never ever seen before. Do not miss out on this one too. You're gonna have so much fun with it. And even Stephanie, if I wanted to use the words, those could go on scrapbook pages or they could go on normal cards if I want them to, but it's fun that you did design them to go on the long form cards.
Exactly, because I did those little tails on it because I wanted it to be perfect for a Slimline. But as you said, you can use it on anything. You can use it on regular size cards, you can use it on 5x7 cards, scrapbook pages, anywhere you want to have that cute little sentiment. And again, you get that shadow die as well, which is really good because then, you know, you get to mix and match. You can do both, you can do one, but it's just so many different options, which is really exciting.
Stephanie, too, we are down to 350 left. So we have about 350 left, and then this is totally sold out. Hey, Stephanie, why do you think these size cards are so popular right now?
Because they're different. They're just different. You know, we always do those A2 size cards, and A2 size cards are great. Don't get me wrong. I have lots of different options for those. But the Slimline is a different landscape. It's a different foundation for your card. So you're getting this long and skinny or tall and skinny. And so it's different proportions. And so it just allows you to create differently. Just like sometimes we do a 12 by 12 scrapbook page or an 8.5 by 11 scrapbook page. It just changes the foundation for your eye. And when you always have those extra business size envelopes just laying around, boom, now you get to use them for something more important than bills.
Yeah, you've got like a set of 100 and you needed one stupid business size envelope. Now we have something to use with them. All right, Steph, these are gonna sell out, honey. I gotta run. And by the way, Stephanie is joining me tonight in our after show. I've got brand new kits for you. You have not seen on the air. So Stephanie, I will see you around 9:30 tonight on our Facebook Live event.
Perfect, I'll be there. Yay! I'll see you later, Suzanne.
She's a busy girl, busy girl. And again, you haven't seen it on the air. Last call on that, it is almost sold out. Okay, this next item is kind of near and dear to my heart because I love entrepreneurs and I love people who are inventors. And this we actually found as a part of our big find. And for me, I've been doing so many craft